So a brief explanation, if I could be indulged for a moment, is we started collaborating with Jesse Elder back in 2019, 2020. And we had started talking about wanting to commission an arrangement that helped students learn different jazz styles. Jesse happens to be one of the lead arrangers and works with a very popular group called Postmodern Jukebox, who has toured all over the world and is very well known for all of the arrangements that they do of modern pop tunes into jazz styles. So, had the opportunity, talked to Jesse, thanks to a previous band parent, Pam Steen, helped put us in touch together, and for us to have started in 2019 working together and talking about this and going from just having that student, what pop tune should we arrange and how should we go about this, and gave Jesse the list and said, you know what, Pink Floyd's Money sounds like a really great tune to do. This sounds like a lot of fun, let's do this. And to have Jesse then came out and worked with us in 2020 at our jazz band clinic that we do to get the year started off each year, brought the arrangement, started working with us. We had anticipated on premiering that in the spring of 2020, and then of course the COVID-19 pandemic happened. And it has been a long time coming, and for us to have the opportunity to bring Jesse back full circle, join us on stage tonight to world premiere this piece of music is beyond anything I could have asked. So will you please join me in welcoming Jesse Elder. This is a large endeavor. I would be remiss if I did not thank the RCS Foundation, if we did not thank the number of private donors who helped make this possible. And again, here we are, getting to make history of our very own on this historic stage. This is just amazing. I hope you enjoy this moment as much as I am anticipating it as well. We're going to close out our program this evening with the world premiere of Jesse Elder's arrangement for big band of Pink Floyd's Money.
Well, how about that, ladies and gentlemen? Woo! All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're just going to take a very short intermission just to rest and recharge, and then in a couple minutes, the Scott Winnell Jazz Orchestra. Thank you very much.